always a pleasure to see you all, and that too on a working day. So friends, please welcome Radhika Gupta. She'll be speaking about One Nation, Multiple Lenses.
We truly live in very interesting times. मुझे really लगता है that investing is a funny mix of the short term and the long term. Sensex down 1,000 points after election uncertainty. Is this good news or bad news? I think those who zoom in will see it as bad news. Those who zoom out will say that it's a buying opportunity in a structural bull market. By 2030, we will have 100 crore people working. 1 in 5 working professionals will be Indian. This is not a generation that wants to work in a branded company. This is a generation that wants to take startup risk. You can't compare the behavior of a generation, I told my father this, that took 10 years to get a landline versus one that gets 10 minutes, gets it in 10 minutes on Blinkit. You will have 10 crore people who are earning an income of more than 10 lakhs. 10 crore people earning an income of more than 10 lakhs. You will have 1 million people who are what I call mango millionaire. So we have gone from a capital deficient nation to a capital surplus nation. Today, ideas have access to capital. Youth unemployment is a real issue. So you have 30% graduates today who are unplaced. And if you look at your newer IITs, and IITs are creme de la creme, 40% are unplaced. And this isn't getting better because we have AI showing up. So this is something that we all need to spend time about. Why has the airport lounge become a bus stand? Because everybody has a credit card. This wasn't the case 20 years ago. I want to show you what is happening in terms of access to money. So 7 out of 10 iPhones are sold on an EMI. So this is the revenue of live events that is happening in India. It's doubled in the last 3-4 years. They have more access to credit. They're investing in riskier and financial products, and they're spending on experiences. Start your own website, service thousands of PIN codes in India on Blinkit and Amazon, market very nicely on Facebook and Instagram, and lo and behold, you have a viable business running. So intuition says, यार गोल्ड ने पिछले साल ना बहुत रिटर्न दिया, अगले साल भी बहुत रिटर्न देगा. अच्छा, पिछले 5 साल से मिड कैप फंड का रिटर्न 30% है, तो 30% ही होगा मिड कैप रिटर्न का. And my only advice to you in these turbulent times is to spend some time looking at data, not intuition. This happens in everybody's investing journey. You're investing, things are going well, your NAV is rising, you're calling the Finnovators guys and saying, कितना अच्छा काम किया तुमने. And then there's a period when nothing happens. Prices fall and nothing is bad news. Don't fall prey to the value of disappointment. Call these guys if you're depressed, but don't fall prey to the value of disappointment.